Hello and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today we are providing an in-depth technical analysis of USDCAD, combining current market events and news with candlestick chart data. Recent news indicates a mixed outlook for USDCAD. While some sources suggest a continued bullish trend, others point to potential bearish reversals depending on various economic factors. The Canadian dollar has recently been weighed down by dovish economic forecasts, reaching a 56-month low. Let's look at the daily chart to get a broader perspective. We observe a recent price increase towards the 1.42 level, which aligns with the recent bullish sentiment mentioned in the news. This surge might be attributed to various factors such as increasing interest rates or geopolitical developments. However, we also notice that the volume during this rally was not exceptionally high, suggesting there may be limited conviction behind the move. The recent price increase is followed by a significant pullback, causing concern about the sustainability of the bullish trend. Considering the 56-month low reached earlier, a bullish outlook might be premature. Now, let's narrow down our view to examine the 1-hour chart. A closer look at the 1-hour candles reveals shorter-term fluctuations within the overall uptrend. We notice periods of consolidation and some minor bearish reversals, indicative of indecision in the market. Analyzing the 1-hour chart alongside the daily chart helps to identify potential support and resistance levels. For example, a closer look at the recent price action between 1.415 and 1.42 could reveal meaningful support or resistance levels for short-term trades. The 15-minute chart provides even greater detail. Here we can observe brief periods of rapid price changes, suggesting short-term volatility. We can identify several instances of short-term price reversals and candlestick patterns. These patterns can give traders useful clues about short-term trading opportunities. While the 15-minute chart shows high volatility, it can be unreliable for long-term predictions. The frequent price changes make it hard to predict the overall trend. Combining this data with the daily and hourly charts offers a more holistic understanding of the market dynamics. Zooming in on specific candlestick patterns on the 1-hour chart from November 26th to November 28th reveals a clear period of consolidation with several instances of bearish price reversals. This may suggest a near-term bearish correction, although it's not conclusive. In summary, while the current news and the daily chart initially suggest a bullish outlook for USDCAD, several factors raise some doubts. The relatively low volume during the recent price surge and the presence of bearish reversals in the shorter-term charts indicate significant uncertainty. Key price levels to watch include support around 1.415 and potential resistance near 1.42 on the daily chart. Short-term resistance might also exist between 1.415 and 1.42. On the hourly and 15-minute charts, short-term fluctuations should be closely observed, as those charts show many short-term reversals. The likelihood of a bullish breakout above 1.42 is moderate, contingent on sustained positive economic news and high trading volume. Conversely, a bearish correction towards 1.415 is somewhat likely, particularly if negative economic indicators emerge. Continue monitoring the volume for indications of stronger directional movements. Remember, this analysis is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always conduct thorough research and manage your risk carefully before making any trading decisions.